Hello guys, review Motorola Moto G77, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. In completion we have device in the brown color, protected back cover in the same color, and we have 108 megapixels main camera, 1.5K ultra bright extreme AMOLED display. Okay, and this all completion, Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, talk about device. We have protected back cover and double camera on the back side. This fake camera and LED. On this side slot for two nano SIM card. On this side power button and warm buttons. Downside Type-C, speaker, microphone, and that's all. Turn on device. We have display AMOLED 1.5K 6.7 inch. Open settings. About device we have Android 16. Okay. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have MediaTek Dimensity 6400, this CPU, 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU Mali G77. Results, GPU test results, and look AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level or high graphic level, works good. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. We have max zoom 10x, video recording we can 2K. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.